For millennia, a delicate thread has woven its way through history, connecting East and West in a tapestry of trade, culture, and luxury. This is the story of silk, a fabric coveted for its shimmering elegance and prized for its incredible strength. At the heart of this story lies a humble creature, the silkworm, and a nation that has mastered the art of silk production for over 5,000 years, China. The story of silk is intricately intertwined with the story of China itself. From the legendary Yellow Emperor said to have discovered silk with his wife, Empress Leizu, to the sprawling Silk Road that carried this precious commodity across continents, silk has left an indelible mark on Chinese history and identity. Our journey begins with the silkworm, a small, unassuming caterpillar with an extraordinary ability, the power to spin liquid protein into shimmering strands of silk. It is this remarkable feat of nature that forms the foundation of a global industry. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of silk production in China, exploring the ancient traditions, modern innovations, and the delicate balance between nature and human ingenuity that brings this luxurious fabric to life. The silkworm's life cycle is a marvel of nature, a carefully orchestrated process solely dedicated to the production of silk. It begins with tiny, pinhead-sized eggs, carefully laid by the female moth. These eggs, each holding the potential for a single silken thread, are meticulously incubated by silk farmers, their temperature and humidity closely monitored. Within days, minuscule silkworms emerge, their insatiable appetites demanding a constant supply of fresh mulberry leaves. They devour these leaves with an urgency, growing rapidly and shedding their skins several times as they mature. This period of intense feeding and growth is crucial, for it determines the quantity and quality of silk the silkworm will eventually produce. After about a month of relentless eating, the silkworm begins its most remarkable transformation. It stops feeding and starts spinning its silk cocoon, a protective casing for its metamorphosis. The silkworm spins tirelessly for days, rotating its body in a figure-8 pattern, creating a cocoon made from a single, continuous thread of silk that can be over a kilometer long. Inside this silken sanctuary, the silkworm undergoes a complete metamorphosis, transforming from a caterpillar into a pupa and finally emerging as a winged moth. However, in the world of silk production, the moth is rarely allowed to complete its natural life cycle. For centuries, silk production in China has been a meticulously honed craft, passed down through generations of farming families. These traditional methods rely heavily on a deep understanding of the silkworm's life cycle and the delicate balance of their natural environment. In rural China, silk farming is often a family affair. Homes are designed with dedicated rooms for raising silkworms, their temperature and humidity carefully regulated. Women, often considered the guardians of this ancient knowledge, play a pivotal role in every step of the process, from hatching the eggs to harvesting the cocoons. Mulberry trees, the sole source of sustenance for silkworms, are planted and nurtured with care. Their leaves are hand-picked and chopped into fine pieces for the youngest silkworms, gradually increasing in size as the caterpillars grow. The feeding trays are meticulously cleaned, ensuring the silkworms remain healthy and disease-free. This traditional approach to sericulture is labor-intensive, requiring constant attention and a deep connection with nature. It is a testament to the patience, dedication, and generations of accumulated knowledge that have made China synonymous with silk production for millennia. While traditional methods still hold a prominent place in Chinese sericulture, the 21st century has ushered in a new era of silk production. Technological advancements have revolutionized the industry, increasing efficiency and allowing for mass production without compromising the quality of the silk. Large-scale silkworm rearing facilities now dot the Chinese countryside, equipped with climate control systems that maintain optimal temperature and humidity levels. Automated feeding systems deliver precisely measured portions of chopped mulberry leaves, ensuring the silkworms receive the optimal nutrition for silk production. Advancements in genetics have also played a crucial role. Scientists have developed silkworm breeds that produce higher yields of silk, are more resistant to diseases, and even spin cocoons in a variety of colors, reducing the need for artificial dyes. Section 5. The Cocoon Harvest, Gathering Nature's Silken Treasures. The culmination of weeks of meticulous care and attention arrives with the cocoon harvest. This is a critical stage, a race against time before the moth emerges from its silken cocoon, breaking the precious silk thread. Traditionally, the cocoons were carefully hand-picked, their quality assessed with a discerning eye. The timing had to be perfect. Harvesting too early would yield underdeveloped cocoons, while delaying would result in damaged silk. Today, large-scale operations utilize specialized machinery for cocoon harvesting. These machines gently separate the cocoons from the trays, sorting them based on size and quality. Despite these technological advancements, the process still requires a delicate touch to avoid damaging the precious silk fibers within. Section 6. From cocoon to cloth, the magic of silk. Reeling and weaving. The transformation from raw cocoon to luxurious silk fabric is a multi-step process that has fascinated artisans for centuries. It begins with silk reeling, the art of extracting the silk filament from the cocoon. Traditionally, this was done by hand, a skill passed down through generations. Cocoons were softened in hot water to loosen the silk fibers. Then, the delicate threads from several cocoons were carefully combined and wound onto a reel, forming a single, continuous strand of raw silk. Today, this process is often mechanized. Machines equipped with delicate brushes carefully unwind the silk filaments from multiple cocoons simultaneously, significantly increasing efficiency while maintaining the integrity of the silk. Once reeled, the raw silk is further processed, twisted and plied to create threads of varying thicknesses. These silk threads are then dyed in a vibrant array of colors, using both natural dyes derived from plants and minerals and modern synthetic dyes. Section 7. The cultural significance of silk threads of history and tradition. Silk is far more than just a fabric in China. It is an integral part of the nation's cultural identity, woven into its history, art, and philosophy. For millennia, silk has been a symbol of wealth, status, and refinement. It adorned emperors and officials, graced the halls of palaces, and was presented as precious gifts to foreign dignitaries. The Silk Road, an ancient network of trade routes, is a testament to the global significance of Chinese silk. This network, spanning over 4,000 miles, connected the East and West, facilitating the exchange of goods, ideas, and cultures. Silk, highly sought after for its luxurious texture and exotic origins, became a key driver of trade, shaping the destinies of empires and influencing the course of history. Beyond its economic significance, silk is deeply embedded in Chinese arts and crafts. Intricate silk embroidery with its vibrant colors and detailed designs has been a revered art form for centuries. Silk paintings, known for their delicate brushstrokes and ethereal beauty, capture the essence of Chinese landscapes and philosophical ideals. Section 8. Silk in the 21st century. A legacy continues to unravel. Today, China remains the world's largest producer and exporter of silk. The industry, a blend of ancient traditions and modern innovations, continues to thrive, providing livelihoods for millions and captivating the world with its luxurious creations. From high-fashion runways to traditional Chinese garments, silk retains its allure as a timeless fabric, prized for its elegance, drape, and versatility. As technology continues to advance, we can expect further innovations in silk production, leading to new textures, colors, and applications for this versatile material. The story of silk in China is a testament to the enduring power of human ingenuity, the delicate balance between nature and innovation, and the enduring legacy of a tiny creature that has shaped the world with its silken thread.